Boom! Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brock Mia. Let's get right into it. We're going to talk about stocks today, and I can show you how to open a quick account. So on Fidelity, I like to use Fidelity. You can open different IRAs, retirement accounts, investing in trading account, and spending and saving. So I believe this is like kind of like a banking where you can have a credit card. I do have the Fidelity credit card because you get 2% back to your Roth IRA, and I think that's an awesome feature to have. But yeah, right now we're going to focus on individual investing in trading accounts, which is an individual account. So if you want to open it, you would go open here. And then next I am going to show you how to buy a stock. So what we're going to do is buy a stock. So there's multiple things you can buy here: mutual funds, crypto, fixed income, which is bonds, recurring investment. If you want to buy on a certain amount of, like, the first of each month or the 15th of each month, you can go there. But this is going to be a one-time buy stock. So this is a quick and easy tutorial on how to buy a stock. So I brought up Google. You can go Roth IRA, your individual account. Right now I'm just going to go to my Roth IRA, and yeah, so then you search a symbol. This is going to be Apple. I'm not buying Apple right now, but I'm just showing you how to buy. You can sell, you can buy shares, dollars. Shares is the amount of basically investment you want to have in a company. So one share of Apple is 185.92 cents. So, or you can buy dollars. So say if you want to just buy $20 worth, you can also do that as well. $20 worth. And then once we get to market and limit order, market is basically an order that you put in, and it will fill at usually around the ask price. So the ask price is here, the bid price is here. This is where people are willing to buy it at. This is where people are willing to sell it at. So basically, I like to do limit orders. So instead of dollar amount, I'm just going to do one share and then limit. So this sets the maximum price you're willing to buy. So if it gets filled at this order, that's good. But of course you want to pay less for it. So generally you want to watch the price, see where it's within a day, or if you have a certain price you want to buy. So say if you're waiting at 180, you could have had a limit price around 180, and I think it would have filled on the 5th. So say if you want to do like in the middle of the ask and the bid, you can do that, or you can just go to the bid. So what I'm going to do, I like to do it on the lower end because you want to get it for the cheapest price. It's like buying something at the grocery store. You want it for the cheapest price. You don't want to pay more. That doesn't make sense. And then let me move this. Good till cancel, or a day. So basically, good till cancel, the order stays open, and then a day order, I believe it's within the day, or gotta look that one up again. But I usually just do day order, just because I will usually buy it within intraday. And then preview order, and then you can look at it. Preview order, account symbol, limit, time and force, and then boom, place order. So boom, I just made an order to buy Apple. So one share Apple. So yeah, that's a little tutorial on how to buy stock. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a great day. Peace.